We'll then start today's meetup. Just prior to starting, happy Women's Day, which has happened on 8th. Once again, Women's Day. Let us celebrate the whole week as the Women's Week. The agenda for this session looks like this. We'll start our meetup with the ecosystem updates, what have happened, who have joined the Avni community, what are the new things happening. As we are celebrating the Women's Day, we have some featured talks from some of our partner NGOs who will be sharing their experiences closely of their personal and also their professional experience of working with women and girls closely. We have people from both CINI and PAD team joining us and will later on share their experiences. That will be followed up with our product updates, what is happening new in terms of products, what new features are coming, what is the tech team working on, and share their product updates. And we'll end with our Q&A. If you have any questions during this time, if time permits, we can take in between, but otherwise we'll keep our questions for the end and try to answer all your questions and queries regarding all the updates. So, not wasting any time, let's quickly move into the ecosystem updates. In Feb, we were able to kind of go live with Ekam Foundation. Ekam Foundation is based out of Tamil Nadu, and they have been majorly working in the space of maternal and child health, and they're working at a big scale of impacting more than 10 lakh beneficiaries across 12,000 villages. So we welcome Ekam and congratulate them to go live with their product, and now they're currently kind of using the app to collect the data on the ground. And also warm welcome to our new partners to the Avni community. Last month, we kind of onboarded Durga India, who are basically working in the women's safety sector, helping across Bangalore. Is there anyone from Durga India? Is Rajlakshmi on the call? You can share a few things about Durga India. I'm just trying to scroll and check. We don't have anyone from Durga India. We'll come back, and when they join, maybe have a little bit more information about what Durga India does from their point of contact who would be joining this call. The other organization is Gubachi Learning Community, which was part of Avni Launchpad Cohort 1. They're also based out of Bangalore, and they're majorly working in the education sector, where the focus is to provide schooling in such a way that they get all the educational learning outcomes for the marginalized communities. Have anyone joined from Gubachi? Because some of them doesn't display names. That's the reason I'm asking if anyone has joined from Gubachi and can share a few things about Gubachi and their work. It will be helpful if you can change your names from your name and the organization for me to kind of go through it. If they join in the later part of the call, we'll have a brief introduction about it. Let us quickly move to the other updates which Avni was part of it. As you all are aware that there were sessions, AI Impact Summit, which has happened in Feb at a global level in Delhi. And Avni also was part of this summit, and our presentation on maternal health delivery was in the final rounds, where we were trying to create a platform that tracks women's risk score through AI powered scanning and real-time ground realities during referrals and turning data into actionable insights for better future interventions. So this is something a great experience for our team to kind of build a platform and present about it in the AI Impact Summit. This is our team kind of having a dedicated stall at the AI Summit, where we kind of shared more information about Avni and the work Avni and Samanvay does in the space of technology and open source. And we had kind of got a good opportunity to kind of attend different sessions and gather a lot of new ideas during this summit. Let's quickly move into one of the featured talks which we are kind of focused on this edition of Community Meetup. The first one will be from the CINI team. We have both Sunita and Divya joining us. I'll share a little bit about Sunita. She is working as a field coordinator in Humti block and working with CINI from past 10 years. She will be majorly sharing about her experience of working with adolescent girls and how education has positively impacting their lives and opportunities. सुनीता जी, आप रेडी हैं प्रेजेंटेशन करने के लिए?
यस सर।
मैं शेयर करूं स्क्रीन या आप शेयर करेंगे?
यस सर।
मैं आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन कर रहा हूं, आप देख पा रहे हैं आपका?
यस सर, दिखाई दे रहा है।
हाँ हाँ, आप मुझे बोलिएगा। आई कैन स्क्रॉल डाउन, यू कैन यूज हिंदी, इंग्लिश एज पर your interest. Should I scroll down?
जोहार सभी को।
हाँ।
नेक्स्ट। मेरा नाम है सुनीता पूर्ति और मैं झारखंड के खूंटी जिले की रहने वाली हूँ। मैं पिछले 10 सालों से एज अ फील्ड कोऑर्डिनेटर के रूप में सिन्नी के साथ अभी मैं काम कर रही हूँ। प्लीज, मेरी जो जर्नी है, मेरा जो बचपना है वो एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से आता है। मेरे पापा एक किसान थे, मम्मी घरेलू कार्य में करती है। मम्मी और पापा काम को घरेलू कार्य में मदद करते हुए ही मैं अपने गांव के मेरा उस समय जो था लर्निंग लेवल थोड़ा सा कम था, तो मैंने मतलब ट्यूशन भी मैं नहीं पढ़ पाती थी, बहुत दिक्कतों का सामना करना पड़ता था मुझे। तो उसी दौरान मतलब हमारे विद्यालय में एक रिमेडियल कोचिंग सेंटर चलाया गया था, तो उसमें मैं पढ़ाई की। वहाँ भी मुझे फ्री में पढ़ाया जाता था, तो उसमें मुझे पढ़ने में बहुत मदद मिली कोचिंग सेंटर के द्वारा, और मैं फिर कंटिन्यू पढ़ते गई आगे। सर नेक्स्ट। पढ़ाई करते ही करते मैंने इंटर इंटर मैट्रिक खत्म करने के बाद मैंने खूंटी विद्यालय में SS+2 विद्यालय में मैंने इंटर की पढ़ाई की। इंटर के बाद मैं ग्रेजुएशन बिरसा कॉलेज खूंटी से मैंने किया। ग्रेजुएशन का फर्स्ट ईयर में थी, तभी मुझे सिन्नी में काम करने का मौका मिला, तो मैं ग्रामीण क्षेत्र से बच्चों को पढ़ाने का काम की। गांव लेवल पे मैं 6 महीना बच्चों के साथ काम की। उसके बाद मैं कम्युनिटी रिलेशनशिप वर्कर यानी कि गांव में समुदाय के साथ मैंने काम किया। उसमें मेरा काम ये था कि मैं गार्जियन को उनके कार्य और दायित्व के बारे में ट्रेनिंग देती थी। जो बच्चे विद्यालय नहीं आते थे उनको विद्यालय से जोड़ने का कार्य करती थी। SMCs को ट्रेनिंग देती थी। विद्यालय की जो भी गतिविधियां होती थी उनमें मैं सहयोग करती थी। उसके बाद बैक 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 कार्य किया। फिर मैं लर्निंग फैसिलिटेटर के रूप में 6 से 10 विद्यालय में काम किया। फिर मैं अभी एज अ फील्ड कोऑर्डिनेटर के रूप में खूंटी ब्लॉक में कार्य कर रही हूँ। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। इस दौरान मुझे कई सारी चुनौतियों का सामना करना पड़ा। जैसे मैं 11th में थी तभी मेरे पापा का देहांत हो गया था। आर्थिक स्थिति ठीक नहीं थी, घर में परेशानी आ गई थी, तो मुझे सिनी में काम करना पड़ा। उस दौरान भी मुझे कई सारी समस्याओं का सामना करना पड़ा। जैसे कि हम विद्यालय ड्यूटी में जाते थे सुबह, घर वापस शाम को लौटते थे, तो मम्मी का भी चिंता बढ़ गया था कि सुबह में निकलना फिर शाम को घर आना। मम्मी हमेशा मुझे कहती थी कि छोड़ दो, घर का ही काम करो। फिर मैं वो करते गई, नियमित रूप से प्रयास करते रही, छोटी छोटी चुनौतियों का सामना की। गांव वाले भी हमेशा मुझसे बोलते थे कि ये क्या ही करेगी, ये लड़की क्या कर पाएगी, कुछ नहीं कर पाएगी। ग्रेजुएशन काम करते करते ही मैंने ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट किया। ग्रेजुएशन के बाद मेरी शादी हो गई थी। शादी के बाद मेरे बच्चे हो गए, एक बच्ची है मेरी, तो वो बच्ची हो गई तो फिर मुझे फिर समस्या आई कि मैं कैसे काम करूंगी, फैमिली को संभालना, ड्यूटी ज्वाइन करना। लेकिन उन समस्याओं को करते करते ही मैंने काम को कंटिन्यू रखा। फिर सिन्नी में ज्वाइन करने के दौरान भी मुझे कई सारी, जैसे मेरे पास गाड़ी का सुविधा नहीं था पहले, तो मैं ड्यूटी कैसे जाऊंगी। तो सिन्नी ने भी मुझे एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया कि तुम्हारे पास गाड़ी नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं, तुम काम करो, 2-3 महीने बाद तुम गाड़ी खरीद लेना। तो उन्होंने भी एक अच्छा मौका मुझे दिया कि मैं गाड़ी नहीं होने के बावजूद भी किसी तरह से मैं 2-3 महीना मैनेज करूं और फिर मैं गाड़ी लूं। तो वैसे ही करते करते मैंने गाड़ी लिया और फिर अभी कंटिन्यू रेगुलर वो काम करती रही। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड।
आपका स्लाइड स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हुआ है सुनीता जी।
आपको स्क्रीन नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है?
जी सर,
मैं जो स्क्रीन शेयर किया हूँ आपको दिख नहीं रहा है?
Yes, it's visible.
स्लाइड नहीं दिख पा रहा है।
आई थिंक आपको जहाँ पे मेरे इस पे आपको चेंज करना पड़ेगा। आई थिंक जो बात कर रहे हैं वो और जो प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं ना, उसमें आई थिंक चूज करेंगे तो आपको मेरा दिखने लगेगा, क्योंकि बाकी लोगों को
इट विल बी ओके।
उसी चुनौतियों को पार करते हुए मैंने आगे बढ़ने का प्रयास किया। शादी के दौरान ये भी चुनौती आई कि कैसे करें। मेरी पढ़ाई शादी के बाद 1 साल छूट गया था, बेबी भी हो गई थी, तो मेरी पढ़ाई छूट गया था। फिर मुझे अपने आप में रियलाइज होने लगा कि मुझे कुछ करना चाहिए, आगे बढ़ना है तो मुझे अपनी पढ़ाई कंटिन्यू करनी चाहिए। उसी दौरान मैं पढ़ाई कंटिन्यू की। अभी मैं एमए का फाइनल ईयर में हूँ। मैंने डीएलएड बोलिए या फिर पीटीटी बोलिए, वो मैंने कंप्लीट कर लिया है। और फिलहाल सीटेट 2024 में मैंने क्वालिफाई किया। नेट फिलहाल अभी 2025 दिसंबर 2025 में मैंने नेट भी क्वालिफाई कर लिया है। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। जब मैं विद्यालय जाती हूँ तो हमेशा खासकर बच्चियों के साथ बातचीत करती हूँ कि वो भी किस तरीके से आगे बढ़े, अपने करियर को बनाए। अब मैं अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बताती हूँ कि किस तरीके से मैंने पढ़ाई की। छोटी छोटी समस्याओं से घबराना नहीं है, आगे बढ़ते रहना है। मैं हमेशा यही प्रेरित करती हूँ अपने विद्यालय की बच्चियों को। साथ में मेरी यात्रा को जो देखकर मेरी गांव की जो लड़कियां हैं, मेरी सहेलियां हैं और जो महिलाएं हैं, वो भी प्रेरित हो रही है। वो भी हमें कहती है कि तुम कैसे कर लेती है ये, हमें भी ट्रिप दो कि तुम कैसे करती है और इतना सारा कुछ कर लेती है, तो हमें भी तुम्हारे जैसा करना है। मेरी सहेलियों का मेरे ऊपर आता है बात। फिर इसका जो सकारात्मक प्रभाव पड़ा है मेरे फैमिली में भी पड़ा है। मेरी जो बड़ी बहन है और मेरी जो भाभी है, वो भी पहले सिर्फ घर का काम करती थी, अब वो भी घरेलू कार्य के साथ साथ रोजगार से भी जुड़ी हुई है। नेक्स्ट, ये जो है शिक्षा मेरे लिए काफी बदलाव लाया है। शिक्षा के माध्यम से ही अभी जो मैं आपके सामने बोल पा रही हूँ, मतलब कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ गया है। पहले जो था कि मैं थोड़ा हिचकिचाती थी, घबराती थी, अपने बातों को कैसे रख पाऊंगी, वो कर नहीं पाती थी। तो इसमें मेरा शिक्षा के माध्यम से ही मुझ में बोलने का कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ गया है। घर परिवार को संभाल रही हूँ, काम के साथ साथ अपनी बच्ची को संभालती हूँ, अपनी माँ को देखती हूँ, वो सारा चीज अभी मैं कर रही हूँ, आत्मनिर्भर बन चुकी हूँ। और मैं हमेशा नॉलेज ग्रहण करते रहती हूँ किसी न किसी से, छोटे बच्चों से, बड़े बच्चों से, बुजुर्गों से, अपने स्टाफों से, सभी से मैं कुछ न कुछ हमेशा सीखते रहती हूँ। मेरी सीखने की ललक है और मैं अपने साथ साथ दूसरों को भी सिखाती हूँ और आगे भी सिखाती रहूंगी और खुद भी सीखते रहूंगी। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। थैंक यू आप सबों को।
थैंक यू सो मच सुनीता जी, आपने अपना पूरा जर्नी शेयर किया। थैंक्स फॉर शेयरिंग दैट। दिव्या जी, आप कुछ यू वांट टू ऐड समथिंग, शेयर समथिंग, more experiences which we have closely seen and working with Sunita?
Yes, sure. So बेसिकली हम लोग सीनी में एजुकेशन पे बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं। एंड अगर हमारी टीम को देखेंगे तो हमारी टीम में ऑलमोस्ट 80% जो टीम मेंबर्स हैं वो महिलाएं हैं। एंड अगर सुनीता का अगर स्टोरी अगर हम देखते हैं तो सुनीता वाज अ स्टूडेंट व्हेन वी हैड स्टार्टेड वर्किंग इन ऊटी एजुकेशन के फील्ड में। वो हमारी एक स्टूडेंट रही है स्कूल में और वो इतनी इंस्पायर हुई। जो हम काम करते थे उस समय स्कूल्स में टीचर्स अवेलेबल नहीं थे, लेकिन जो रेमेडियल कोचिंग सेंटर्स चलते थे उसमें हमारे टीम मेंबर्स जाते थे और सिखाते थे और उनको देख करके ये काफ़ी मोटिवेट हुई। और अभी तो मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब इंस्पायर्ड हूँ सुनीता से कि उसने अपना नेट भी क्वालिफाई कर लिया है, मतलब काम करते करते। और शी हैज़ वो अब कॉलेज में भी मतलब पढ़ा सकती है, मतलब इतना क्वालिफिकेशन उसने सुनीता ने गेन किया है। और उसकी स्टोरी को मुझे किसी को भी बताते हुए काफ़ी मतलब अच्छा लगता है और प्राउड फील होता है कि वो 10 साल का अगर हमारे काम का अगर इम्पैक्ट देखे तो सुनीता इज वन ऑफ द इम्पैक्ट कि एक स्टूडेंट से लेकर के वो अभी तक कैसे ग्रो की है। और उसके अंदर जो इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस है वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा है। वो जब स्कूल जाती है तो वो बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को लेकर के बच्चों पे ध्यान देती है कि कोई बच्चे अगर गाँव के बच्चे कंघी करके नहीं आए हैं, नेल्स काट करके नहीं आए हैं, तो उस पर भी सुनीता काफ़ी ध्यान देती है बियॉन्ड जो उसका रेगुलर काम रहता है। और बाकी टीम मेंबर्स के लिए भी वो एक मोटिवेशन है, हमारे लिए भी है और अपने गांव के लिए भी है और खुद अपने घर के लिए भी वो एक मोटिवेशन है कि उसको देख करके उसके फैमिली मेंबर्स अभी और ग्रो कर रहे हैं। तो अगर गर्ल्स एजुकेशन के बारे अगर हम बात करें तो एक अगर लड़की पढ़ाई करती है और आगे बढ़ती है और समझ को वो प्राप्त करती है तो एक पूरा जेनरेशन जो है वो पूरा अफेक्ट होता है, पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट वो लेकर के आता है। तो सुनीता इज वन ऑफ द केसेस। So thank you so much providing this opportunity to us and Sunita also to speak about her journey. Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing, and it was really inspirational to kind of see the journey where she has started and how she is still motivated and aspire to achieve more things. And best of luck for her future, whatever she is trying to aspire and achieve. We'll quickly move to the next story. We have with us people from PAD, People's
People's Action for Development.
People Action for Development. And we
Yes.
have Nirmala ji and Ramki joining us, and they will share. They also closely work with a lot of adults and girls through their programs, and we'd love to hear the stories and the experiences they had with the interactions they have been doing through their initiative. I'll quickly share the presentation. Do let me know if you're able to see it or not.
Yes, you can start the features, a screen.
Is it visible to you?
Absolutely.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for inviting me to speak today, and my greetings to all of you as we celebrate International Women's Day. It is an honor to, sir, you can keep sharing our screen. That's okay. It's an honor to share the work we are doing through People's Action for Development with adolescent girls and women in rural coastal communities. In many of the villages where we work, adolescent girls grow up with limited opportunities. Many face challenges such as lack of access to education, limited awareness about their rights, early marriage, and restrictions on their mobility and decision making. Often girls are expected to remain silent and accept these realities. At PAD, we believe that every girl has the right to dream, to learn, and to lead. Our work focuses on empowering adolescent girls by building their confidence. You can keep going to the next page, sir. Our work focuses on empowering adolescent girls by building their confidence, knowledge, and leadership. We conduct awareness sessions on girls' rights, health, education, life skill, and digital literacy. Through these programs, girls begin to understand their voice, that their voice matters, and that they have the ability to shape their own future. One of the most powerful changes we see is their confidence. When girls first join our sessions, many of them hesitate to speak. But over time, they began to share their ideas, ask questions, and even lead discussions within their communities. We also work closely with women and mothers because they play a very important role when we are working with adolescent girls. Because empowering girls requires support from families and communities. Through our women's group and capacity building programs, we help women become stronger decision makers within their households and their village. Another important aspect of our work is creating safe space where girls can come together, learn, and support one another. These spaces allow them to talk openly about their challenges, whether related to education, health, or social pressure. See, we have lots of groups, CSG. CSG means community support groups, and we have interface meeting where the teachers and the local panchayat and the local nurse and everybody comes as a group to address the adolescent girls issue. And there these adolescent girls from each club come, and over there they learn to talk boldly and learn about many things. They're able to express to their older ones, the elders, their situations. Through our program, many girls once lacked confidence are now continuing their education, delaying early marriage, and becoming role models for younger girls in their village. What inspires me most is seeing girls transform from being quiet participants to becoming leaders who speak for their rights and the rights of others. The impact of this work goes beyond individual girls. When a girl becomes confident and educated, it influences her family, her community, and the next generation. Empowering girls ultimately strengthens the entire community. On this International Women's Day, I would like to remind us that investing in adolescent girls is not only about equality, it is about building a more just, inclusive, and sustainable future for everyone. I would like to share that, the young girls in their village, every Mondays we have this petition where we give to the collector. They make their decision. What they're facing in their school, let it be, even if there is an early child marriage, the children brings it to the committee. They bring it openly so that we can stop it. They themselves call the child line. They have come to that status where PAD has been working with them. We work with 124, 43 villages. Right now, we are concentrating on 60 villages. We work for environment, mangrove restoration and sacred shores, debris-free pathway, and empowering adolescent girls. As PAD, we are grateful for the support of the partners, donors, and community members who believe in this vision. Together, we want to continue to create opportunities for girls and women to realize their full potential. And we want to thank Avni for giving us this opportunity where we could portray. You can see our team over here, PAD team members. Ramki will come up. I will give him also the time. These are a dedicated team. We have mentors also who work in the field. These are dedicated workers, team members in PAD. We don't have a set time, sir. We want to share with all the other participants, our partners, the other NGOs who are with us. There is no time limit for us. Sometimes we work till, 2 in the morning, and we are up again in the morning with our field work. So most of the women are living close by, but the men who are over here stay over here for the weekend. Only on weekends they go home. Saturday and Sunday we don't work, but 5 days rigorously we work. And there is no time slot at all for us. And, there are different projects in our organization, but every team member, although they are 11 of them are in one project, another 13 are in one project. But when it comes to helping each other, everybody goes into that project. Let it be mangrove restoration. When there is need of the other project from HCL, all those team members join us. So this is how our team works over here. And our main dream is for the adolescent girls to be free and to have the freedom to learn. And our aim is, that every child be educated, go finish their 12th grade at least. So that is our main focus as PAD members, that each girl in our village completes her 12th standard. Then we support them to go further also. We guide them. And we are seeing that there is no anemic in our villages. There is no child marriage, no dropouts. All these we are concentrating. Thank you so much for this opportunity, and I would give the time to Ramki to say a few words for you. Ramki?
Hello everyone.
Yeah, Ramki, go ahead.
Yeah. My name is Ramki, and I am working as a field and licensing officer at People's Action for Development. I have been part of this organization since 2008. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak at the event today. First of all, my warm greetings to you, everyone on International Women's Day. Our organization works with the fishermen, farmer and farm takers in the Gulf of Mannar region. A major focus of our work is women's empowerment. especially adolescent girls' empowerment. Over the years, we have seen significant increase in the participation of our women in the community organization. The changes we see today are strongly rooted in the awareness of rights and confidence. Women are now actively involved in village development activities. Women's leadership has increased in our areas. In fact, many women from our communities are now participating in the local governance and politics. Some of them serve as ward members, councillors, and even panchayat presidents. Seeing the transformation makes us very proud and happy. At PAD, we strongly believe that every woman has the right to dream, learn, and lead. We are committed to continuing our efforts toward this goal and supporting women to become strong leaders in their communities. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ramki and ma'am, for sharing your work which you are doing and the impact you are creating to empower all the girls and women in your community, and to also take leadership roles at different levels and working for the community after all the empowerment.
Thank you, sir.
Lovely to hear your story and know all the work you have been doing. We'll quickly move into the next section on the product updates.
Yeah, I can share.
You'll share?
Yeah.
You have the access, I hope.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Is everyone able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. But it's a blank screen at this point of time.
Yeah.
Yeah, got it.
So as part of last month, we did a set of releases. We did 2 releases, and then our uptime was 99.93%. So generally, always the Avni is accessible, the product is accessible, except for when we do minor releases, there is like a 5 minutes downtime. Except for that, it is always accessible. So we did 2 releases, so there would have been a 10 minutes downtime, not more than that. So the average response time, how soon one can get response from a server was 263 milliseconds. Sync was successful 89% of time. So the other time, most of from the monitoring that we are doing, like 98% are because of network issues. So other issues, whatever gets raised via tickets, we do fix proactively. So then we released a couple of features. One is ability to navigate to beneficiaries' home. Sorry. So just a minute. So this is not able to move to the. Sorry. Yeah. So this is something we had demoed last month. So the next is ability to resume with filling forms. Even when a user gets a call, or if the user doesn't have all the information, the user can leave the filling of the form in between and can resume filling the form later. So this is how it works. Sorry, just a minute. Sorry, actually, yeah, sorry. Yeah. So we can see how it works here when someone enrolls into a program. So generally, when there are lab tests, etc., the forms will be very lengthy. So the user can leave filling the form if they don't have all the details in between. So here the user is not saving. The user has come back again to the home page, and when the user again goes to filling the child form, all the data will be filled. This is generally useful similarly for visit forms as well. So the user can, if it is an unplanned visit, it gets shown as drafts on the top. It gets shown as in the draft section. So that is how it is designed currently. So this is generally useful for lengthy forms, for filling lab results, etc. So the next is we did a couple of upgrade releases. Yeah. So we did report upgrades, and then we moved away from the deprecated. These are all for internal maintenance work. So we are also restarted on AI stream analysis. So in the AI stream, what we are doing is, so currently the configuration, filling out forms, everything is done manually. So instead, we are trying to automate filling out the forms. So soon after getting the requirements, whatever requirements users share, what we want to do is we want to automatically convert it into Avni specifications, and from specifications we want to automatically configure the forms without user need to manually configure each and every field. So by doing this, we think we can reduce the cost for the users, so that we can make it available for more organizations in a cheaper cost, in a cheaper amount. So one of the issue we have been receiving is performance issues. So far from the different field visits that our team members go, we hear that there are some performance issues. So far only from one organization we have actually received or understood the exact issue. So in case if any of your organization faces any performance, by performance issue I mean app being slow, when you click on it, app responding very slowly. So if you see any such issues or users facing any such issue, raise tickets in the fresh desk so that we will be able to fix it proactively as soon as possible, so that everyone can have a more smooth user experience. So to be able to also understand the issues proactively, we have released some monitoring capability. We released that just today so that we can understand what issues users are facing on the ground. So for the next month, we are focusing on two things. One is, like I mentioned, artificial intelligence assisted Avni app setup to reduce the cost and to provide the benefits to more NGOs. And the another is, so the technical stack that we are using in the mobile app is somewhat deprecated. So we are upgrading the database so that we can always have the latest security fixes and there is no performance issues and bugs, etc. So these are the updates from the product side. Any clarifications or any comments or inputs?
Mahan, this AI assisted or AI stream whichever we are doing, is it mainly for self-service thing which happens at backend, or for app design, or is it for all users? It will applicable. How does it work?
What we are planning to do is we are planning to do in such a way that to make it applicable for all users. So if the organization is managed by implementation internal team, then specifications sheet will be shared, using which the internal team member can discuss with the client and sign the contract, and the specifications sheet can finally be uploaded so that the entire Avni app can be built. So if it is someone who is self-service, what we are planning to do is, instead of sharing the specification sheet, we are thinking of directly asking them to download the app and see how the experience will be. Because the internal contract signing, etc., will not come into play there.
Thank you. Yeah. Anyone else have any questions on the features or the focus areas which we are working this month?
Anyone facing performance issues or any slowness in the app, any of the field workers have reported that the app is slow?
Not like a app is slow, but some of our staff has been reported that when they mark attendance and they save that attendance, even that the attendance is not being saved on the application. It happens sometimes, and I don't know they are saying right or wrong. That is, I don't know, but they reported as, you can say, 6 or 7 times.
Okay.
3 or 6 months. It is like that.
Okay.
And somehow I have also faced something like when I click something, it open, and when I try to back them, it automatically come to the home only.
Okay.
So I was trying to do the back option, previous option, but it automatically come to the home option. It is not like all the time it happens, sometime.
Okay.
Yeah. This is
okay. So Maitrina is under support or under still under implementation, Ashok? So Maitrina, so Pooja, your team is internally we are doing the implementation. So Pooja, kindly raise the issue to the respective team who is managing. So if you think you're already under support, raise the ticket so that the team will contact you for the right details so that we can address the issue as soon as possible.
I did that, and
Okay.
it has been resolved also. As I'm saying, it's not happening all the time.
Okay.
Sometimes, I have been using for 1 year, and I have faced it. You can say 1 or 2 times only. As you are saying, I'm telling you, it's not like all the time.
Okay.
Are you able to understand me what I'm saying?
I'm actually not able to understand the exact issue because I have also not faced the issue. So I'm not aware when it happens or the exact issue, or we have not received such issue from other organizations. So currently I'm not sure unless I can see the details or I will get a better idea. I can check with the support team on that to see what has happened, etc.
But I always get support from support team.
Okay.
Whenever I ask, so it's not that issue. We have been using from 1 year, so it is fine.
Okay. Not Pooja.
Hello.
Yes.
I would like to appreciate Avni very much, because I think we have launched and we are doing a great, our team is enjoying working, because we were always on paper and Google Sheet and all these things. Now our team is very excited. They're still on the process of entering and all that, but I want to appreciate on this platform for what you have all done for us, and I want to appreciate our coaches. They do a great job, and pad is running very smoothly. So when our donors come, we are able to speak that we are using MIS, Avni, and we are doing a great job. All the technical problems also, offline is very easy for our field workers, because immediately they're putting the data and syncing it, and we are sitting in the office and we are able to see get all the details. But one thing I would like to ask, we have been asking also, because I heard somebody say about the attendance. we would like to, it's a request again and again, if it is possible, that, we want our staffs also to have their attendance, they go to the field, the location sharing and their attendance to be on this thing. Otherwise, we have a separate WhatsApp group where they mark their attendance, and then it's, again, it's another paperwork going on.
Yeah. We can manage attendance also via Avni. So what we can do is there is a feature called user feature, using which a form can be built for user to fill every day, and the user can mark yes or no every day, so that based on which a report can be generated for attendance. So that is also possible currently.
Okay. And location sharing, is it possible on your on this? Do we have a feature for this?
Yeah. So location, you want to capture the user location.
Yes, absolutely.
So whenever the user enters some details,
that's the time.
Yeah. So whenever
because offline they're entering there. Okay. So this attendance, you are asking us to do a make a program. Add a program as attendance, right?
We don't need a program. What we can do is it can be configured in the user. For the user, under more option can be made to appear, or in the front page an attendance report card we can create, so where the user can mark attendance.
Only this we want, because sometimes it becomes, we want to there is a person just for this to check it on WhatsApp and then keep informing, they're present, they're absent. So that's becoming a little, so the executive members who are as a team over here, they asked us. So yes,
what we can do is that you can raise a support request for this, because you have a monthly support.
Yes, absolutely.
I think there they will take this ticket up and kind of provide the whole support which is required, how you want it and what all can happen.
Absolutely.
So get your dedicated time on that. So
thank you so much, and again want to appreciate what you have done for PAD.
Thank you so much. You're finding value in what you have been able to design through the Avni app, and able to kind of achieve more things in a more efficient way. We are hoping that for your future initiatives also it will be helpful in the similar manner.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
And same regarding the location, the user can capture the location also. User's location can be automatically captured when they fill the forms without internet connection. So that request also can be raised in the ticket, and the support team would be able to resolve it.
Yes, absolutely. We have raised a ticket over there, and they're absolutely helping us out. There is no doubt at all for us. We will succeed even in this one. Thank you so much.
Yeah, go ahead, Ashok.
Yeah, I'm just checking if anyone else has a question. Otherwise, we can close this meeting. I think nobody has joined from Durga. I was just checking if anybody has joined from Durga team. We would have a short introduction about their organization, but I can't see anyone. So what we can do is that hope we had some new things during this meetup, and again a happy Women's Day or week, what we can say, as we were celebrating that. Thank you everyone for joining the call. See you in the next month's meeting. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you all. Bye.